SOP reduction using Carnot-Map or K-Map. What is SOP? Sum of product. That is sum of min time is the SOP. That is in SOP we are using min times. For reducing SOP using Carnot-Map, first we can consider how to write the two variable K-Map. See, this is the two variable K-Map. Then in this two variable K-Map means how many variables will be there? Two variable. In this two variable K-Map, what are the variables we are using? X and Y. In this K-Map, we are using X and Y. Only two variables. Then how to draw a two variable K-Map? In two variable K-Map, 2 to the power 2 numbers need to represent. Okay. 2 to the power 2. What is the value of 2 to the power 2? 2 square is equal to 4. That is, we need to represent 4 numbers. Then, so in this two variable K-Map, there should be 4 columns. That we need to represent 4 numbers, that is 0 to 3. We need to represent 0 to 3. Then how to represent that 0 to 3? See, in first you have to draw this diagram. Then one slanting line is here. Two variables are there. First variable below the slanting line. Second variable y above the slanting line. Then here left side 0, 1. Possible values for x is 0 and 1. Possible values for y is 0 and 1. Then in min term, how to represent this 0? 0 is x bar, 1 is x. Here top side variable is y. So here 0 is y bar, 1 is y. Then how to represent the column numbers? Then this first column 0. Then this 0. How did we write this 0 in this column? How can we write this 0 in this column? So first consider the left side, then top side. That is 0, 0. 0, 0 is the equivalent representation of 0. Next 0, 1. Left side 0, top side 1. That is, this column is 0, 1. 0, 1 means 1. Next column 2. This means left 1, top 0. 1, 0. 1, 0 means that is the representation of 2. 1, 0 is the representation of 2. 1, 1 is the representation of 3. See, left side 1, top side 1. So this column is 1, 1. 1, 1 means 3. Last year we have studied the conversion of binary to decimal. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 1, 3. This is the equivalent representation of that binary numbers 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So in this two variable K-Map, we have represented 0 to 3. That is 4 numbers. Then next 3 variable K-Map. How to represent this 3 variable K-Map? In 3 variable means there should be how many variables? 3 variables. One variable below the slanting line. The other 2 variables above the slanting line. First variable is x. Next 2 variables y and z. X, y, z are the variables we are using in this K-Map. So in this 3 variable K-Map, how many columns we required? 2 to the power 3. What is the value of 2 to the power 3? 2 into 2 into 2. What is the value of 2 to the power 3? 8. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So, we need 8 columns. That is, we need to represent 0 to 7 in this 3 variable K-Map. Then how to write or draw this? First we need to draw this K map, then this slanting line, then this 0, 1, then this check the two variables YZ. How to represent this YZ? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Check that numbers. Actually 0, 1, 2, 3 means 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. But in K-map it is not in that order. It is in the order 0, 1, 3, 2. 0, 1, 3, 2. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. It is in the order 0, 1, 3, 2. Because here in this K-map we are using gray code. It is the gray code. That is why it is in the order 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, it is not in the order 0, 1, 2, 3. It is in the order 0, 1, 3, 2. Then we need to represent these numbers. Thus inside numbers you have to write with a pencil and in small size at the bottom right corner of each column. Okay, in the corner of that bottom right corner in small size, because we need to write others numbers also in this column, then you will be confused. That is why this inside numbers you have to write with pencil in small size, where we need to write at the bottom right corner of each column. Then how to represent this number? See, first left side, then top side, 000, 0, 00, that is equivalent to 0. Then left side 0, top side 01, 001 is equivalent to 1, 011 is equivalent to 3, 010 is equivalent to 2. Then see the number 4, how to represent this 4? 1 first left side, then top side. First we have to consider the left side, then top side. That is 100. 100 is equivalent to 4. 100 means 4. 101 is 5. 111 is 7. 110 is 6. You can write that inside numbers like that. Next, 4 variable K-map. We are using this K-map in almost all the problems. So, you have to by heart this K-map. So, in 4 variable K-map, how many columns we require? 2 to the power 4. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 16. 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. That is, we need to represent 16 numbers. What are all the numbers? 0 to 15. We need to represent 0 to 15 in this K-map. Then, here we are using the variables A, B, C, D. Then, in the slant, first you have to draw the K-map like this and draw one slanting line. Below the slanting line, 2 variables A, B. Above the slanting line, C, D. Then here that gray code 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Same like that top side also. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Both the side you have to write that numbers in with pen. Okay, this number, side numbers you have to write with pen. That 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Left side and top side. Then we need to write the corresponding min terms. 0, 0. How to represent 0, 0? That is, this 0, 0 is corresponding to the variable AB. Then how can we represent this 0, 0? A bar, B bar. Min term means product. 0 is representing with a bar. Then 0, 0 we can represent A bar, B bar. 0, 0 means A bar, B bar. 0, 1 is A bar, B. 0, 1 is equivalent to A bar, B. Then 1, 1 is AB. 1, 0 is AB bar. 1, 0 is AB bar. Same like that. The top side also the same gray code we are representing. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then how can we represent this 0, 0? 0, 0 is equivalent to which variable? CD. Then 0, 0, 0 we can write it as C bar, D bar. C bar, D bar. Then 0, 1. 0, 1 is C bar, D. 0, 1 is C bar, D. 1, 1 is CD. 1, 0 is CD bar. 1, 0 means CD bar. First itself you have to draw like this. After that we need to represent the inside numbers. Then how to represent this inside numbers? Each column, first we have to consider the left side, then top side. See, the first column 0, left it is 0, 0, top side also 0, 0. That is 0, 0, 0 is equivalent to 0. 0, 0, 0 is equivalent to 0. So you can write that 0 at the bottom right corner with pencil in small size. Next 0, 0, 0, 1. That is first left side, then top side. That is 0, 0, 0, 1 is equivalent to 1. Next column 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1 is equivalent to 3. Next 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0 is equivalent to 2. Okay. See the last, this column 8. 1, 0, 0, 0. That is 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0 is equivalent to the decimal number 8. Like that we can write all the columns. If it is difficult, you can by heart these rows. That is the first row is 0, 1, 3, 2. Next 4, 5, 7, 6. Next 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. Either you can write corresponding to this binary number or you can by heart these rows. 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. You have to write in all the came-ups like this. So you can by heart this number. That is in each problem, first itself you have to draw this came-up and write the variables. Then left side it is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. You have to be careful. The third number is 1, 1. It is not 1, 0. 1, 1. After that only it is 1, 0. Top side also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is the 4 variable came up. Okay. In 2 variable came up, we are using 4 column 2 to the power 2, that is 4 numbers. In 3 variable 8 numbers. 4 variable came up 16 numbers. That 16 numbers are 0 to 15. What is the equivalent representation of 15? 1, 1, 1, 1. Check this 15. What is the left side of 15? 1, 1. Top side of 15? 1, 1. That is 1, 1, 1 means 15. Like that we can represent. In SOP we are using min term. What is the definition of min term? Min term is the product of all the literals. Product of all the literals. In SOP we are using min terms. In here we need to represent each min term. This one you have to left side of this outside numbers you have to write with pen. this inside numbers you have to write with pencil in small size at the bottom right corner.